RV Resort in Yuma, Arizona. It's part of the Trails collection. And you enter in the main driveway and you drive straight ahead to the office on the right. All sites in Cactus Gardens are back in, and they are a little narrow, but the length is fine for large vehicles. The park is a mix of full-time residents and travelers, and the streets are pretty wide. They do allow for maneuvering and getting in your spot. And this is the office and part of the clubhouse. They do have a second building facility. There is a mail room here at the park. And they have a really nice heated swimming pool here and a spa in the back area. Lots of sun and chairs for lounging in it. There are men's and women's restrooms with showers, and you can buy ice here. And this is the rec hall, where they have a stage and sound system for bingo and karaoke and other things. They have a small building for activity offices, and they let you borrow pickleball stuff and bocce balls and etc. to play games here. There's a dedicated dart room, and they have dart tournaments in here. This is the second clubhouse building. They have a large laundry room, and you can purchase a laundry card and come in and do your laundry. And a library with movies and books and games. And a large billiards room. Cactus Gardens has a central park area. And it's a nice gathering area. They have the artificial grass in here, and they have it set up like a little park. And there's barbecues and a fire pit table. And tiki torches lit at night. There is also shuffleboard courts. As I said, the spots are a little tight, and this is us right here on the right, and we're parked sideways in front of our fifth wheel. Cactus Gardens is a 55 and older qualified park. And this Trails Collection Park, like many, have park models here that you can rent. So you can come and stay if you do not have an RV. And the park models are pretty nice. This is one of the rentals. So this large area along the back of the park is the dog area. And it is just massive. And it's usually full of dogs running around and having a good time in here. It's all sand and very clean, let me add.